In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change hourly rate in Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your account to set or update the hourly rate used for an hourly project, along with the related billable and cost settings that keep your budgets accurate. Start by logging in to your Freshbooks account so you're on the dashboard. From here, open the projects area. This is where all your time-tracked work lives, and it's the place to control how hours are billed. Choose Create New and select Hourly Project. Using an hourly project ensures your time entries can be multiplied by the correct rate when you invoice. Next, assign a client to the project. Picking the right client in bulk or right client is important because rates and invoices will be tied to this profile. Add a clear project name so you can find it easily later. Descriptive names help when you're managing several projects at once. Open project type and choose hourly rate. Then confirm by selecting Done. This tells Freshbooks that time tracking will drive billing. Now open estimate type. Here, choose how you want to track progress. Depending on your workflow, you might track by hours, by fees, or by milestones. Pick the option that best matches how you report progress to your client so your estimates and actuals are easy to compare. Select Set Billable Rates. This is where you decide your billing method. You can keep it simple with a single rate for the entire project, set different rates by team member, or vary rates by service or task. Choose the approach that reflects how you price your work, then click Done to lock it in. A quick tip: if you build different roles at different rates, the by team member option helps keep invoices precise without manual adjustments. Next, choose Set Cost Rates. Cost rates are internal and help you measure profitability by comparing what you charge against what delivery actually costs. Enter or confirm the appropriate cost information, then click Done. Even if you don't use cost rates today, setting them now can make your reports much more insightful later. Finally, click Save. Your project is now configured with the updated hourly rate and supporting settings. From here, anytime you track will use the billing method you selected, and invoices will calculate automatically based on that rate. If you ever need to tweak the setup, you can revisit the project settings and adjust the billable or cost rates without affecting past invoices. That's it. Your hourly rate is updated and ready to use in Freshbooks.